Okay, looks like a fun deal here. A 5-string banjo, early Japanese, called a Penco, and I will be seeing if I can get this thing back together so we can hear how it plays. Alrighty, we'll just see how this goes. Okay, kind of interesting. Tension bar here for the bowl has been modified somehow to go to a bigger one and across, and then back here, not sure what this is all about, but it looks like that the things that hold the drum head down, looks like one there's broken and then was modified by somebody. So anyway, this should be some kind of fun and a challenge. I think we can put this thing together and get it playing. Interesting that inside this hole, where it's gone through here for the neck, is that there is a screw that I don't know how they got that wood screw in there, but there's one that's sticking through from the top part of the neck. Anyway, so we'll see if we can get this thing to play. Okay, just somebody, you know, necessity is the mother of invention or something like that. And so somebody had changed this out with a long screw, trying to make it work, and also the big nut there on the end for the tension bar for the bowl. So I think this is all going to be very doable. Well, just for fun, somebody went and broke off a wood screw. That explains the wood screw that was in the bottom of this thing, trying to make the neck stay on. So that is broken off. I'm going to see if I can get that out of there. Okay, now for a moment of prayer. Well, all I can say is it's a good thing that I went and spent $4.95 for a set of these wonderful pliers from Harbor Freight probably 20 years ago, and my nice little drill bits. I got that sucker out of there, so we're on the mend with this thing. Looks to be coming together pretty good. The neck, we'll see when we get the bridge on and the new tuners and the little parts that I'm waiting for, but we got this thing back in here together, so this should work out. We'll just see, won't we? Well, by golly, here it is out here on the bench, and I got 4 strings on it. Got a new bridge, which will need a little work to get this action down. So anyway, it's coming together pretty nice. Sounds like a banjo, man. Sure does. Okay, it all came out pretty good. There's the bridge. And then, of course, the neck and everything and the strings. And that there is a friction tuner, which I learned about. And the only thing that holds it is how tight it's screwed down. And then there's the headstock. Penco, vintage Penco from the 70's, Japan, when they were ripping off all the American manufacturers and they were just getting started. Okay, anyway, came out really good. Pretty pleased with it. Oh, I guess I should have showed you that. I don't play the banjo, but sounds like a banjo to me.